All right, here we are from the rear of the lower level unit. Floors aren't totally flat. This door is rough. Some plaster work needed. Evidence of leaking, potentially. These rooms are huge. Got a built-in bookcase in that doorway. It's just in rough condition. It's like, I think it have to be really cheap to live here. Okay, so the foyer area is shared. The front door is like boarded up. So if you were coming in the front door, you'd come in right here and go into your apartment, or you could go down to the basement. So from the basement, the foundation looks okay. I know there's a lot of crumbling, but I was a little concerned about it when I saw it out front. I smell a little bit of gas. So I have to think that these furnaces are not 100%. 2 100 amp panels here. Doesn't look like knob and tube. It looks like the wiring has been updated somewhat. Here's a plumbing stack. PVC going down to cast. Looks like PVC is going up. I don't know how far. There's so many effing spider webs. Well, Jack, I don't know. What do you think? This one is definitely cheap for a reason. Just in less good condition. It's a nice door there. Crawl space. So the ceiling's kind of patched. Looks like it was probably leaking. It kind of looks like they've recently painted and drywalled over it. I kind of smell paint up here. I hear the refrigerator working. The toilet is not level. Maybe like lean into the left while you're in there. And this tub, it's got some, I think this is like a clawfoot tub that they've like plastered around to make it fit with this plasticky thing. This is the most fucking janky ass looking tub. Look at that, a GFCI by the sink. So they basically did like the minimum in order to get it to pass occupancy. I don't think I have the key to that. All right, we are out of here.